welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. Anyway, I have those moments where the fragrance just makes me, do a little 1-2 dance. Welcome, 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 welcome. Okay. And then we can go back to what we were talking about. You want it, you got it. You want it, you got it. So, honey, yo, cute days have come and gone. Hey, girl, hey. Boom, boom, bum, ba-dum, bum, sting, dun. That's a song too. I just didn't know the words. Anyway, I can't stand apple butter. When I tell you this coconut, baby. All right, moving on. If you find it, sis, pick it up, okay? And this is a celebrity fragrance. I'm talking about none other than Nicki Minaj Onika. Oh, yeah!
Is it me, or was that the ugliest you have ever seen?
We love a good, fresh scent, okay? But what I will say, honey, just decant this, because I'm definitely not taking this in my purse. Who's taking this in their purse? You definitely not taking this in your purse, sis. But the one thing on here, and I've said this before, that I'm not the greatest fan of, it says shimmering. That means it got glitter. Now, Fenty, do you know what season this is? Yeah. You said it. We're going into the fall. And then after fall, you know what comes next? You're right. Winter. Now, how do you think we about to be shimmering in fall and winter? Did I not get the memo? Honey, I wasn't ready. Okay, Bath and Body Works, I was not ready.
No. No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
She wasn't ready. She rolled on in. Let's talk about the new rouge, shall we? Yeah, let's get into it. Tweety, you all, look at this. Zara is back. You all know she gives us collection behind collection behind collection. And I am excited because, honey, I was not checking for that $49.50 fragrance that they put out. I wasn't checking for that. Nor was I bringing it to my channel because I'm not saying it wasn't good or it was good. I don't even know. It didn't even matter because I was not putting my coins to those fragrances. Gourmand girlies, please stand up. Please stand up, okay? Please stand up. We here, sis. We here. Okay, I thought so. Honey, Bombshell Owl. This is so good. This gives me a great coconut. If you like an aquatic scent, like a marina type of feel, like very much of a fresh and watery, all the things, and it's so beautiful. Oh my. So let's open her up.
2 hours later.
And I am talking about none other than Sugar Leather. Yeah. This was on my tray, and when I tell you, now you see my face, so you already know how the story goes, but let's talk about Sugar Leather. Honey, now I know the girlies are talking about, and this is from Unuit, Unuit, we're gonna go with that, okay? Honey, this is Silky Woods by Goldfield and Banks. I love this spicy, beautiful, warm, spicy fragrance. It's so good. Ooh, 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 ooh. It just makes me dance. You gonna still smell good. Who checking you? Nobody. And if they do, just let me know.
We go, oh no, not tonight.
I mean, no, not that she like biting, but I definitely am a protector and stay ready. Have you met people from Detroit? I know I've said this 100 times. Have you met us? Now, honey, this is an example of when overspraying is not needed for everything. And even if you don't have the nose to smell that you have oversprayed, the people around you will know that you have choked them out. Okay? I want to be all the gourmands, all the cookies, cakes, pies, and you know. It's right. Green grass and leaves and foresty smells have me question sometimes. Okay? Mind games. And this is Leonora. Okay? When I say family, you all know when I start off saying, when I say family, it was amazing. And I am talking about none other than Commodity Milk Plus. This is amazing, okay? Oh my gosh, it just takes, take me there. I want to go there. I want to go on vacation is what, take me there. Then y'all remember that? Take me to that place. I'm probably messing up the words. It's fine. It's fine. Y'all remember that song. Because we have vanilla ice cream. Check. Brown sugar. Check. Okay. Toffee. Check, check. Vanilla. Check it. Check it. Check it. Yeah. All of that. Yeah, that went sour and left and down. It went down. It gives me a more in-depth tonka bean pistachio type of flair. Very peach. So if you love a good peach scent, yes, and yes. It gives me this luxury, pluff, luxurious bath, like just bubbles, but not soapy bubbles. You're like, but sis, if it ain't soapy bubbles, then what kind of bubbles is it? I don't know. I'm trying. So I'm gonna start with Set de Rose, and this is what, honey, the box came very busted and disgusted. Sometimes we good in the stiletto, right? We good stepping out, being all late. And then there are some days where it ain't that type. It is not that type of vibe. It's just something's in the water. Our strut is not strutting. It's just not there. What I need us to do is find some alternatives. Don't go with it just because it's cute. My girl, let's go with it because we want to be cute in it. With the walk. This lovely moisturizer. It just refreshes my skin. I talked about this before. Like my skin, I did not have this, okay? And my skin was like, for what? And this scent just jumped out at me. And I was like, what is this? It was amazing scent. I was like, oh my goodness, I need this. Of course you want this on your sensual list. This is beautiful, especially for Valentine's Day. If you're looking for something for Valentine's Day and throw that sexiness on it and let him or she know what they working with, I would definitely go to this. It's such a great vanilla scent, and she has so much depth. Like, I love fragrances that have so much depth. Let's talk about her. Ambrosia Imperial. You thought she wasn't about to be on the list. We talking about sensual. I'm going to get another one of this because you don't need a perfume addict, okay? It's like dripping in vanilla ice cream and then that like toffee and brown sugar and it's just dripping. Oh my goodness, I'm kind of excited for this line. It's really good so far, okay? Okay. Let me do that again. Okay. I don't like this one. I was like, they hyping this up a little bit too much. She might be all right. I will say, when I first got this fragrance, it wasn't a fan favorite. Like, I was like, what?
And what the hell is that smell?
No, I don't like it. Okay, I don't like it even more. Oh, why did I do that?
Damn!
Why did I spray it on my hand? He was trying to be slick, you know. That's what he was trying to do. He was trying to be secretive, but it really didn't work. He tried. Yes, it is. Minnie Mouse from the House of Siage. It is here, and it is Aura, and this is from Loewe. And oh my goodness, look again. You all know I don't put dents in anything. Look at this. Ooh, I just want to smell it again. It is so good. Oh, everything is nice with this. Okay. This is such an amazing fragrance. Boom Bomb. Believe that's what it's called. Boom Bomb. I think that's what it's called. But again, that's just my vibe, and I like to smell like food and candy. You know, I like to smell like the cookie candy cutter. Y'all know, right? Because sometimes we bypass the picking the samples. Some of us don't, but some of us be bypassing that free step. Don't bypass no free steps, sis. All right, moving on. It is what it is, and it's hard to keep up with this type of bottle. Honey, if you see my prints and all the things, stop.
It is what it is.
You have what I call scandal by night, and look at the legs. I mean, it just tells you it all. But we have Kayali, and this is Utopia Vanilla Cocoa. I have to read the words. Like, it's a lot. It is what it is. But make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I'd love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And family, if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Come and view me and see if they'll vibe with your girl.